darling.
Hi, Aunt Karen.
What are you doing today?
No, I am just cleaning up another pee-pee accident. Timmy got some on the floor and on the couch, so I'm just, final stages, vacuuming and trying to make sure that all those stains get out of there.
Well, maybe it's time that you just put a pull-up on that child and just stop getting pee all over the place.
Don't you think that a pull-up might just be more confusing, though?
Well, one way or another, you do whatever you want, but you know that I will not be caught cleaning pee and poop off of my furniture.
Well, Karen, not everyone is gung-ho about using pull-ups as a potty training strategy, including me. So stay tuned to hear about why I hate pull-ups and what I think you should do instead. Hey guys, I'm Missy from Slumber and Bloom. I'm a certified pediatric sleep coach and potty training consultant. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. I love giving parents tips and tricks on how to help their children sleep through the night and also potty train easily the first time. I have shared my knowledge with hundreds of families and now I'm ready to share it with you. I often get emails from parents telling me that potty training isn't working. And when I ask them about accidents, they tend to tell me that their child is still wearing pull-ups. So they don't even really know when their child is having accidents. In my opinion, using pull-ups as a daytime potty training strategy is a huge mistake. Now, not to make you feel bad about it, if you have been using pull-ups, a lot of parents don't really think about it or consider other options just because it seems like a natural transition to go from diapers to pull-ups to underwear. But quite honestly, I hate pull-ups and I refuse to use them as a daytime potty training strategy. So here are my thoughts. Bear with me here, but in my opinion, pull-ups are glorified diapers, okay? They were created by the diaper industry to have a longer go at wearing diapers. They are diapers, okay? They absorb your child's pee and poop like diapers. Whether or not they go pull up or clasp, they're still diapers. Bottom line, pull-ups are designed to do the same exact thing as diapers. Therefore, I consider pull-ups to be diapers. And on top of that, pull-ups actually give your child the same feeling and the same sense of security as diapers did. There is zero difference in your child's book, according to their body, on how diapers make them feel as opposed to pull-ups. It's the same thing. Therefore, their muscle memory from when they were wearing diapers is exactly the same, and in their brain, they are just subconsciously triggered that they're wearing a diaper and that they don't have to control their bowels or their urine because they're wearing a diaper that will catch said poop and pee. And to your child, this is what they've always done, this is the way it's always been, this is normal, and this is comfortable. As weird as it sounds to grown, potty-trained adults, it is comforting for your child to feel their pee and poop in their diaper. I know it's disgusting, but your child doesn't know that. They have been conditioned, essentially, to pee and poop in their diaper and to understand the feeling of feeling that wetness and feeling that soiled poop in their diaper and feeling it against their skin. And as gross as it is, that's what your child is used to and that's what they're comfortable with. Just because you put a pull-up on your child, it doesn't mean that they're gonna say, hey, this is a pull-up, I'm gonna start going in the potty because my mom and dad think that's cool. It's just not usually gonna work that way. And if it works for your child, then fine, great, disregard this video. My opinion isn't for you. However, this is my opinion and this is my profession, so I'm going to give you my professional opinion. I hate pull-ups. So you're probably wondering, what do I recommend instead of using these pull-ups? Ditch them, don't buy them, stop buying diapers, and potty train your child using my potty training plan. Of course, that's what I'm gonna tell you, but honestly, using any quick potty training method will seriously save you money and sanity in the long run. So before I even talk any more about pull-ups and what you should and shouldn't do, I definitely want to throw out the disclaimer that in my opinion, daytime and nighttime potty training is completely different, and that it is normal for a child to need to wear a diaper of some sort overnight. It could be until they're about 8 years old, and that is completely biologically normal, and that is okay. So with that being said, I always recommend that parents buy their children nighttime underwear, and it is my preference to wear the Goodnites Bedtime Pants brand because those are different than diapers, and they're something that your child has not used or seen before. And when you make the transition from daytime underwear and nighttime underwear, it should be something that your child has never seen before, so they're not reverting back to putting on a diaper and they're not reverting to putting back on a pull-up. Definitely check out the Goodnites Bedtime Pants, and they also have disposable bed pads, so if your child has been staying dry for a few nights and you want to try and have them sleep in their underwear, you can get the disposable bed pads, and those are a great staple to have in your house when you do finally start nighttime training. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. I know it was very quick and pretty opinionated, but I do get this question quite often, so I wanted to put it out there for everyone. I know that not everybody is going to be anti-pull-ups, and if you don't like my opinion, I am sorry, but not sorry at the same time because y'all asked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know your opinion on pull-ups. We may not all have the same opinion, but I would love to hear yours and completely respect your opinion and decision about wearing pull-ups and giving them to your child. So if you think that your child may be ready to wear something like pull-ups, for whatever reason you want to make the change from diapers to pull-ups, I think you should really consider if your child is just ready to go full-blown potty train. And instead of doing the pull-ups, then you should join my potty party. I host a potty party every single month, and my potty party is a virtual Facebook group. You have access to me for 10 days in a private Facebook group. I am dual certified in teaching potty training, and this is my specialty, people. Join the potty party and come potty train your child quickly and easily alongside my professional advice. You are going to get my potty training plan. You are going to get 10 days of support through potty training, and you're also going to have support of your peers around you encouraging you while you are potty training and going through this journey. But if you're not sure if your child is ready for potty training, then definitely take my potty training quiz. This quiz is a very quick and easy quiz. Link is in the description box down there. So scroll down this video and get in the description box, and it will specifically say potty training readiness quiz. Take that quiz. Not only will you get an answer on whether or not your child is ready or not for potty training, but you will also receive my free tips for potty training. You are going to get 5 proven tips in your inbox of all the tips that I have for you for free to help you potty train your child quickly and easily the first time around. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, now that we got that out of the way. Yeah! Can I put this higher? What do I want to say now? Keep cutting myself off.